This audio is brought to you by B, the parenting app.
Waking child up peacefully for school. Waking up early is always a task. But rather than making it a happy start, we tend to begin with tantrums and add to the drama by yelling or pouring cold drops of water to pull the little ones out of the bed. Here are some of the ways that will help you to make a beautiful and happy start in the morning. Identify the problem. If the child is not getting enough sleep at night, this could be disturbing. Make sure the child gets at least 10 hours of sleep to begin with a happy morning and an active routine. Instead of shouting, let's start with some music. Have a routine morning music, put it on for the entire family and let it be your sweet alarm. You can play favorite rhymes or audiobooks for the little one. Take time to snuggle and hug the little one. Hug them in bed instead of pulling them out. These little moments will have a lasting impact to set the morning routine. Put your efforts in making your child sleep early rather than putting those efforts in waking them up. Dim the lights. Begin with bedtime story and most importantly, keep the phones and devices away from the bed. For more insights, download Be the Parenting app. Thank you.